In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a Stripe subscription and customer details in your own Supabase table in a no/low code fashion using BuildShip. Now, luckily, we've provided a template that makes doing this extremely easy and uses just a few clicks in order to get started. Here we are creating a new workflow for a project. Under Payment, I'm going to go ahead and select the Stripe Save Subscription template, which is going to create for me a nearly entirely pre-filled BuildShip workflow. And I'm just going to walk you through these nodes and show you how to set up those values. So first, we've got our trigger, which is the Stripe Webhook trigger. This connects to our Stripe account and activates on specific webhook events. It takes two values. One is the Stripe secret key and a list of Stripe events. Now you'll see that the secret key is currently blank, but the Stripe events is currently set to customer subscription created. We can select many of these, but we're going to stick to just this one. So how do we get our secret key from Stripe? Now I've already got a Stripe key. But let me show you how we can get our own. Let's go over to Stripe real quick. So here I am in Stripe. I'm going to go ahead and activate test mode just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to go over to the developer tab and look at my API keys. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my secret key, copy that, and I'm going to bring that back over to BuildShip. Now here, I'll go ahead and click on this edit button, go to secrets, and then go on add secret. I'm going to add my new secret key. I'm going to call it Stripe test and set the secret value to that copied key. Now that that's already in, I can go ahead and set it to be Stripe test. And that's it. We've already set up Stripe. But what about Supabase? So our next node is a Supabase create row node. It's going to take four values. One is the API key. One is the API URL of our Supabase instance. Then we've got the table name, which has been pre-filled to be subscriptions. And then the object itself. Let's take a look at that object itself. So we can see here, there's a set of data coming in from our Stripe event, which we're going to then map to Supabase. Now, likewise, let's go ahead and get these values over from Supabase. So here we are in my Supabase dashboard, and I'm going to go over to my project settings, over to API. So first, I'll grab that project URL and paste it here. Next, let's get that API key. Just like before, I'll copy that and bring that over into my secrets. Here, add secret, Supabase subscription, secret value, save, and there we go. Ready to set that up. Fantastic. Then we've got our return node, which will return a 200 OK with the text subscription saved. So we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click on ship. Great. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and open up our logs to make sure that everything's working as we hop over to Stripe and make a test subscription. Back in Stripe, we are setting up a subscription for this user, and I pay $15 a month. Let's go ahead and click on Create Test Subscription. Fantastic. Now that that's done, let's go back to BuildShip and see how things look. Cool. Back in BuildShip, we can see we've got a successful workflow. Let's hop over to Supabase and verify that our new subscription is inserted. So back in Supabase, we can see we've got a new subscription, status active, price ID, customer ID, all saved. So there you have it. In no/no code, we've built a functioning Stripe webhook that saves to our database. But this is just the beginning. Expand on this any way you like to build your ideas with a powerful backend. See you in the next video.